Good morning, students. Today we are doing the next topic, that is adaptations of animals living in tropical rainforest. So tropical rainforests are located near the equator and receive plenty of rainfall. They have a hot and humid climate throughout the year, and the days and nights are almost equal in length throughout the year. And these tropical rainforests are found in the Southeast Asia, Central America, Central Africa, and in Western Ghat and Great Assam region in northeast of India. So as you can see here in this animation, that tropical rainforest, they receive plenty of rainfall. So as the climate of these places is conducive to life, a large variety of plants and animals live and thrive in these forests. So with such large number, the competition for space is too severe that animals have special adaptation to survive there. So as you can see that many animals live there due to the plenty of rainfall. As you know that the tropical rainforest, they have the hot and humid climate throughout the year. So now you can see that in the tropical rainforest, these are found in the Southeast Asia, Central America, Central Africa, and in the Western Ghat and Great Assam regions in northeast of India. So due to this, a large variety of animals live there in the tropical rainforest. So monkeys, gorillas, lions, tigers, elephants, leopard, snakes, birds, and insects live in the tropical rainforest due to heavy rainfall and hot and humid climate. So now we are talking about that, as you know that with such large number, the competition for space is so severe that animals have special adaptation to survive there. So now we are talking about red-eyed frog. So red-eyed frogs, they have sticky pads on its feet to help it climb trees, and the monkeys, they have the long tails. Okay, and you know that it allows them to swing through the rainforest canopy and hang suspended by their tail. And some animals, they have the special features like camouflage. They can change their color according to the surrounding. So next we are talking about toucan. So you can see in this animation that animals have the special features. By this, they can protect them from their predators. And toucan is a bird that uses its long, large beak to reach fruits on weak branches that cannot bear the weight of any animals. Again, I am showing you toucan. Yes. So you can see that it has a long, large beak to reach fruits on weak branches that cannot bear the weight of any animal. So now if we are talking about elephant, it is well adapted to living in the rainforest. Its long, sensitive trunk facilitate a good sense of smell. It uses its trunk as a nose. Okay, so the trunk is also used for picking up food and suck up water, which is then sprayed over the body for cooling. And tusks are modified teeth, as you can see in the animation, which help for which tusks are used for digging, fighting, and for tearing the bark of the tree which it eats. And they have the large ears. You can see the large ears of the elephant. So by the large ears, they act like as a fan, helping the animals to cool down. So this was regarding adaptations of animals in tropical rainforest. Thank you very much.